the social media sphere we live in.
Ramos on the hit out. 4-8. Yarionko serving. Maizo off the hands of Casas. 9-4. Aiza Maizo serving for Cagayan.
Lifting violation. But leading scorers here in this match for Cagayan, we have Angie Tabaquero actually scoring more than Tipachot. And Tipachot actually 10, so Tabaquero 15 for the Armed Force. Caballero leading with 13 and Yonko with 5.
Yonko messing up the play and she knew it. Ba? 11-4. Grabe yung pendulum ng laro, ha? Nag-swing naman ang momentum dito sa kabila sa panig ng Cagayan.
Do you believe that? Kasi may nagsasabi,
Na?
Kunyari, malas yung isang court.
Posible yan.
Kasi even in badminton, may nagsasabi. Huwag tayo dyan kasi malas yung
Kaya
court.
nga may toss coin. Di ba?
Yeah.
And Rexona, anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Pamahiin na kung pamahiin. O sige na, panindigan na. Tapos, baka nga. Di ba? Kung tao nga, sinasabihan natin, pang 5 sets. Si Noel Zarate nga, pang 5 sets eh. Alam natin yun
Don't say that. Makaka-receive tayo ng text dito.
Hindi, tigil yun. Di ba? Ang kantsaw natin kay Noel, 5 sets. So far, okay pa ako. Axel is our official outfitter.
Sasabihin ni Noel, si Miyaka naman.
12-5 ang ating bilang. Eulalio, win it.
Good serve.
Hello. Dawis chunking it over. Ano regalong thank you. Merry Christmas to you too.
Wow. So yeah, you're talking about the pendulum. It's 13 serving 5. Playable.
Playable. Buhay ka pa. Short.
Oh!
Sayang. Sayang. Sayang.
You can gauge, I just like to say, we bring imports here from Thailand, or let's say once upon a time from the US as well, no? To lift the level. I believe we have reached a certain level already. Because before, everyone was so scared of a Jeng Boli.
Yeah.
And the Ford, I remember, who played for San Sebastian. But now when you look at it, you know, parang it's a regular match na.
Yeah, parang we've matched in talent-wise. Now, the other thing lang is, kung pag kinalaban mo Thailand-Philippines, baka lamang pa lang sila ng konti dahil of cohesiveness, no? Konti lang. Pero,
lamang.
Lamang na tayo?
Hindi. Because I was watching Thailand, actually, they have reached a certain level na. Grand Prix.
Yun na nga. Eh, liga nila, buhay na buhay, di ba?
Yeah.
Then they have time to come here. Alam naman ng marami. They'll earn a little here, di ba?
Yeah.
As well. Pero bakasyon din sa kanila. Enjoy din sila, di ba? Visit another country. 15-6.
Ako po, si Jack Ginela ng Team Cagayan Valley at kayo ay nanonood ng Shake It B-League Open Conference Season 10.